Hello, my name is Paula and welcome back to our channel. Today I have received my Boxy Charm premium box and we're going to open it up to see all of my goodies. So if you want to see what's inside, keep watching. If you haven't already or you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like these unboxings and things all about makeup, give me a big thumbs up. Have you received your Boxy Charm Premium? Mine came in just today, so I had to put on my makeup so we could unbox it together. I haven't even cut it open yet. So let's see what's inside. Boxy Charm Premium. I really kind of felt like there would be more in there because it's a pretty big box. But it's not very full. But we'll see what it is, okay? Let's see. And there is no card. Okay, so I will be right back because I'm going to get my phone so I can tell you about each of the products. Okay, so I have my phone, so as we take out the items, I'll be able to look up to see what they are and maybe how much they are. Okay, so the first thing is a Pure Heals Centella 90 and pull. Here's the box. Sorry about that. Centella 90 and pull, and I don't know how to say that. But here it is. Ever focus for me. Sorry about that. Okay, it says soothing and pull, which contains Centella complex extract. It relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Let's see how you're supposed to use it. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product onto the face. And I didn't find it on the website, so I'm not sure how much it's worth, but I will look it up and hopefully put a price for it up here. Okay, so that was the first product. And the next one is Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Ooh, that sounds fun. And it says it's peony. Okay. Oh, how cute. It's a little flower. That's what said bud. Isn't that cute? You know what? This is really a good thing for right after Mother's Day, because my mom's favorite flowers was yellow roses. She's been gone now for 8 years, so this is just reminds me of her, and when I use it, it'll always remind me of her. It's just a lip balm, smooth. It has a little bit of a smell, but not really a strong smell of any type. So I just love that. That just makes me so happy, because then that way as I use it, I can think of my mom. Let's see. I must be in the wrong area to find out the prices of things, because none of these are on here. Oh well, I'll look them up and I'll find them for you. The next one is Skin & Company Eye Concentrate Truffle Therapy. It's a pretty box with all that gold on there. Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. I love things for the eyes, especially with me starting to get my wrinkles under my eyes. You know, it's really not good to get old. Oh, huh. Look, I think they could have saved some money on their boxing. It does say, hello, bright eyes. It's pretty, but it could have saved a little bit of money. Truffle Therapy for your eyes. Eye Concentrate. It's got a seal on it, and I'm not going to open this seal because I have some eye cream already open that I want to use that before I open this, but I am going to go ahead and put it back in this great big box. And once again, I don't know how much it is, but I'm going to look it up and I'll put it up here for you so you'll know. Okay, speaking of eyes, on my eyes today, all of the things that I used came from my Rude 24 Peekapoo Pixies eyeshadow palette that I got from Glitz Glam. And I will link the unboxing of it up here, but here's what they all look like. They're all neutral colors. I use a lot of neutral colors. I'm a neutral color girl. And on my lips is from Glam Light, and it's the Cinnamon Roll lipstick, and it's the Cinnamon Roll lipstick, and I'll link to the unboxing of it up here. And even though I said I'm a neutral girl, I did have to get the Glam Light cake palette, and it's got some wild colors in it, and I've been trying a lot of them, and I really do have fun with them. But this is more of my everyday normal look. This one is from Milk Makeup. It's cute. Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Oh, you can use it on both your lips and your cheek. Milk Makeup. Isn't that cute though? Looks like it's just a good little pinky glow. Smooth. Just to kind of, you can put this in your purse. It's so little, you can put this in your purse. If you forget your lipstick and you're just running out somewhere, put on a little glow so you don't look pale with just your cheeks. Another thing about my mom, besides just the yellow roses, is she always had to have lipstick. Earrings and lipstick. If she had earrings and lipstick, she thought she was totally dressed. But if she didn't have earrings and lipstick, she thought she was naked. It's just one of those things. One day I was having to take her to the hospital for something. She wasn't feeling good. Had to go get her lipstick. I know, she can't go to the hospital without her lipstick. Now, isn't that funny? Inkwell Liner Long Wear Matte Eyeliner. And this is Kat Von B. And there's a lot of controversy going on around her. And I haven't been in the makeup area long enough to know everything that's going on, because I didn't get into it until afterwards. But there's been a lot of controversy going on about her, and I don't know it, so I can't tell you about it, but you might know about it. I think this is the color Lolita, Inkwell Lolita. We're fixing to open it up and find out. Oh, well, that's an interesting little design. Inkwell, and it is a liquid eyeliner. And I have stopped using liquid eyeliners. I've stopped using liquid eyeliners, and I'm not going to swatch this, and I won't be using it, so I'll probably give it away. If I can get it back in there. So I'll be giving it away to somebody in a giveaway, or to a friend or family. So that, and I'll put the price of it up here somewhere else. Then the last thing is Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty packaging. I like that. I will find everything and put it up here. So I'll put the price of this one up here. So let's look at this Natural Face. Oh, it is so pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. I love it. Oh, look. Has a little heart as the opening. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, it has a mirror. And then look at all those colors. It even has little flower designs and things in it. Oh, I love those. Okay. I have a lot of these colors. Some of them are different colors, but these are matte. But I'm keeping it just because I love how pretty it is. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm going to swatch it. Okay, this first one is called Heaven. And it's pretty light, but it would be a good overall over your lid. Then this one is Nude Goals. I don't want a lot of people to see me nude, so let's see. Yeah, that one's pretty, that one's light too, but you know, these are good for bases and stuff. Okay, and this one is Lace Teddy. And it does look really nude. It just blended right in there. There we go, with my skin. Okay, the next one is Less is More. Get it to a little darker brown. They do build up. Very good. cleavage. Au naturel. Ooh. This is a sexy one. This one should have come around Valentine's Day, huh? These are some good neutral palette, and that's what it says, the natural mattes. Hey, this one is Sexpert. Let's see, I'm not very good at this swatching. I want to say that these even have a scent of like cinnamon, and they smell good. Okay, that wasn't a Sexpert. I really like that color. That's a good color. This one is Risky Biz. I like that color too. I like all of them. This is a good palette for me. And then Hookup. Let's see what Hookup looks like. Yes, that is a good looking palette. That is beautiful. Here it is again. I absolutely love those. Love this. Isn't this beautiful? I'll put the price of it right here. So, we received the palette, the Too Faced palette, the Truffle Therapy, the eyeliner, the lip balm serum, Pure Heals serum for your face. And since I don't know all the prices, I don't know them, but I will get the prices and I'll put a total of what they're all worth right here. What did you get in your Boxycharm Premium? What was your favorite thing? Today, I think my favorite may be this and this, just because this one reminds me of my mom. And the Boxycharm Premium is $35, and you get all of these things. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 things, because I forgot the little milk makeup. Got all of these items for $35. And like I say, once again, I'll put the total up here so you'll kind of be able to compare your $35 and how much it is that you got. Did you get your Boxycharm Premium? Did you like it? Was it the same as mine? Was it different? What was your favorite part of your Boxycharm Premium? Would you like to start trying to get Boxycharm? I'll put my referral code below in the comments. I don't get paid by Boxycharm, but I do get credit to spend at their store. I hope you liked this unboxing, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up. And as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thank you. Bye-bye.